2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.